What an interesting turn of events would it be if XRP is the thing that kind of saves crypto, right? Because you know how you know how the people feel about XRP. You know how the people not in the community feel about it. Why do you think there's such a big misperception, or is there a misperception of XRP, especially in terms of like centralization, banks? You know the whole narrative.
Yeah, so I have a feeling, and it took me a while to fully understand, because like I said, I got involved in 2019 and 2020. Same way everyone gets involved, Bitcoin, then Ethereum. And then I learned about XRP, and I actually couldn't wrap my head around why people didn't like it. It was so hard for me to understand. But eventually you just realize is XRP is everything that the Bitcoin maxis always wanted Bitcoin to be in an ideal world. And I hold Bitcoin. I like Bitcoin a lot, but that's XRP is what they wanted Bitcoin to be. And I just don't think they like that. I think because of that, they feel the need to tear XRP down. I mean, Bitcoin's special and Bitcoin will always be great in its own right, but it's never going to be a back-end settlement asset for financial institutions. And I think they just kind of want to move the narrative towards that. Either way, though, I think all the centralization narratives, all that stuff is just made up. It's all FUD. There's really nothing to it.
The price of Ripple XRP has stayed firmly planted below 55 cents as it fights to recuperate losses sustained during the collapse in the crypto market on August 17th. An essential on-chain signal identifies the ongoing downward price momentum as the primary cause that is preventing the price of XRP from breaking out. The price of Ripple was unsuccessful in breaking over the 55 cents barrier level as the bears resisted an early attempt at a rebound. However, important on-chain metrics suggest that the level of activity on the XRP network has stayed relatively constant despite recent falls in price. XRP is currently undervalued. Despite the bearish headwinds in the market, on-chain data suggests that the widespread pessimism over the future of cryptocurrencies is one of the primary factors that is keeping the price of XRP from breaking out. The network value to transaction volume ratio offered by Santiment evaluates the underlying transactional activity that takes place on a blockchain network in relation to current price performance. Between the 18th and the 24th of August, the NVT ratio went from 51.66 to 226, which is displayed below. This represents a remarkable growth of 340%. To put it more succinctly, when the NVT ratio goes up, this demonstrates a consistent growth in the underlying economic activity in comparison to the downward trend in prices. This would seem to imply that factors outside of the market, such as bearish market speculation, are responsible for the current downward pressure on the price of XRP. Due to the fact that it is now undervalued, XRP is in an excellent position to make big progress whenever market sentiment shifts in a favorable direction. Because the present market environment appears to be unfavorable, a significant number of Ripple's longer-term partners and strategic investors are currently holding. Indicatively, the XRP mean coinage has decreased near 34.33 after seeing a noticeable blip during the market drop that occurred the previous week. But as of the 24th of August, it has already recovered to 38.30, which is a 10% gain from its previous value. The statistics on mean coinage is an important indicator of the general mood held by long-term investors. It is obtained by making an estimate of the typical number of days that coins already in circulation have remained undisturbed from the addresses of their current wallets. If there is an increase in the volume of transactions and long-term investors continue to HODL, the price of XRP could go up by 20%. This prediction is supported further by the market value to realized value ratio, which evaluates the net financial situation of existing holders. Because prices are now hovering around 52 cents, the vast majority of crypto investors who purchased XRP within the last month will suffer losses of 15.70% if they cash out today. XRP price prediction as XRP becomes the top performing coin in the market. Has the sell-off completed its course? Ripple has maintained its upward trajectory with a robust buying trend, keeping the cryptocurrency's price near the $0.5235 mark. This increase can be ascribed to a number of variables, one of which is the bullish trend that has been seen generally in the cryptocurrency market. Positive news such as the partnership between Ripple and the Moroccan Central Bank for the development of CBDC has also supported XRP's upward momentum, which has contributed to its current higher price. Because of this momentum, XRP has more than doubled from where it started this week, which demonstrates the potential that it possesses in the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, XRP has been growing popularity in South Korea, with a recent survey conducted by News One. Korea showing that it is currently the preferred choice among cryptocurrency enthusiasts in the country. This comes after XRP was shown to be the preferred choice among cryptocurrency enthusiasts in the country. The price of XRP has increased by a huge 24.5%, having increased from $0.4259 on August 17th to $0.5316. This rise in price was sparked by a significant jump in popularity. Ripple's technology is still being embraced by a variety of financial institutions. Ripple's blockchain-based solutions are becoming increasingly popular among financial institutions as a means of making international payments. This helps confirm the utility of XRP and promotes demand for the cryptocurrency as a bridge asset. Banks and remittance firms are employing the technology to expedite their transactions, decrease costs, and enhance efficiency. The value of XRP increases as a result of the increasing number of institutions that embrace Ripple's technology, which makes it appealing to investors who are interested in digital finance. An in-depth analysis of the mechanics of the XRP-USD trading pair reveals that the price of XRP has sadly fallen below the pivotal 65 cents threshold. This particular level, which has been recognized for a considerable amount of time as a dependable support, was strengthened by the 50-day moving average. The way things are heading right now points to the possibility that this once rock-solid bedrock will morph into a formidable resistance. If the current downward trend continues, the XRP-USD currency pair might be headed toward the next support at 58 cents, with the possibility of falling much deeper to the level of $0.502. Both the relative strength index and the moving average convergence divergence suggest to a negative attitude, but the moving average convergence divergence hints at emerging purchasing interest. This presents a mixed view of the market. On the other hand, if XRP is successful in breaking through the 65 cents resistance level, this might open the door for an upward excursion that aims to reach approximately $0.718. Investors need to be aware of the potential impact that these technical aspects could have on the trajectory of XRP as they continue to interact with one another.
Safe haven.
Well, Vladimir Putin and Xi Jinping think so. So if it's good enough for them, it's good enough for me. I mean, why would the Russians be buying it but 10, 20 tons a month, and the Chinese buying about the same if it's not a reserve asset? And then you have to take it another level, which is why are they doing that? Oh, you put yourself in Putin's shoes or Xi's shoes, and you look at the United States. The United States looks like an adversary. The United States is getting more aggressive. We're fighting a trade war with China. We're fighting a financial war with Russia behind the scenes through mechanisms like SWIFT and elsewhere. And you're like, okay, I got to get out from under this dollar, because as long as the dollar is king, as long as there's dollar hegemony around the world, and the dollar is 60% of global reserves, 80% of global payments, and almost 100% of the oil market.